Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, microphone not working fix in Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Recording Audio. Second method is type mmmsys.cpl in Windows search bar, click mmmsys.cpl. Click Recording tab, check Show Disabled Devices and check Show Disconnected Devices. Select Microphone, click Set Default, click Properties. Select Use this device Enable, click Levels tab. Change to Maximum, click OK, click OK. Third method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand audio inputs and outputs, right-click Microphone, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Fourth method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand audio inputs and outputs, right-click Microphone, click Uninstall, click Uninstall. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.